Hi, today I'm going to show you a really easy way to play Joy to the World on your 3-string Cigar Box guitar. We're just going to use one string for the melody, which means you can transfer this to a diddleybow or a dulcimer. We're tuned to G today, low G on the low string, D in the middle, and then octave up G on the top string. We're going to play the melody on the top string, which means we can hit the other strings every once in a while for like accompaniment. All right, so I'll just play it for you first. Okay, I'll just take you through that real quick. Very easy. The first phrase starts up here on 12, and it goes 12, 11, 9, 7, 5, 4, 2,
open,
which is a major scale backwards. So this is actually G major scale backwards. The next phrase starts on 7. It goes 7, 9, then 9, 11, and then 11, 12. Now 9, 11, 11, 12. The next phrase starts on 12, plays 12 twice, then it goes 11, 9, 7 twice, 5, 4. Does that again, so that's 12, 12, 11, 9, 7, 7, 5, 4. Next phrase, you stay on 4 and you hit it 3 times and do a run including another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So that was 1, 4, 5, 7. And 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. Do that one more time. 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. Then we go 4, 2, 0. And up to 12. And now when we do the rundown, we skip the 11. That was 9, 7, 5, 4. Back to the 5. 5, 4, 2, 0. I hope you find that helpful. There will be a tab in there somewhere, and I hope you enjoy playing that. Happy holidays.